Good morning, everyone. Good day, whatever your time is. You're all welcome again to Big 10 FX. Today, we'll continue with our lesson. It's application. We've been asked to create an account, a brokerage account. The link I sent to you is to create a brokerage account. So, the broker or the brokerage account is an account that will give you access to the financial market. The account you just created is the person standing between you and the bank. Let's say for instance, this is the bank. And there is someone in the middle that is connecting you to the bank. So it's the broker or is the hedge fund. So you cannot get direct access to trade the bank because of your account sizes. So this broker helps you to have access to this bank. Understand? So, and the amount required to be here is close to $1 billion. Yeah, before you can have access to it. So retail brokers like you, I, and every other person has to pass through this broker. So this broker will give you quick access to the market. Hope that's understood. So hope by now everyone has created a brokerage account, and today we are going to try to connect the brokerage account to our MetaTrader 5, because it's only when you connect your brokerage account to the Meta 5 before you will be able to. Okay, now you already have the account. To access the account, you just simply go to the browser. This is my browser here. I just want all of you to be following up very well. This is my browser. So I'll go to my browser. Let it load. This is my browser. It's up here, just forex. I'll just type justforex.com, just forex. So it has already opened. I'll go to my dashboard to start over with you guys. Let me see where I've gone some distance ahead. So when you open your account, this is how it's going to look like. You forget about any other thing there. Any other thing there is just distraction. So they say trading account, open new account. You see here, let's start here. You see here, live account. This one is real money, demo account. So we are interested in this demo here. We'll be working in this demo. And let's see any important features we'll talk about. Let's go. So this is a live account. This is a demo. If I want to create a demo, you see I've created a demo here, and this is a live. This is my live account. And here you can log in either with your MetaTrader 5 or your MetaTrader 4. If you look here, you will see, let me go a little bit. Yes, if you look here, you see here live MT4, live MT4, live MT5. So you can use MT4 or MT5 account to log into this account, or you can still use both. You can still use one, but if your phone does not have space, you take one in order to economize your space. I ask you guys not to download this just for this apps because it can occupy a lot of space. So we'll go directly. After you have created this account, you take here, you down to the demo site. This is a demo. You take a demo. Demo simply means it's something like a fake. So it will give you fake money which is a fake money. So you use the money to be learning how to trade in the live account. You understand now? So this demo is like a fake. The word demo is a fake. So it will give you money which will help you to study the market, because it's only when you pass through demo before you'll be able to trade live. So you have to first go through demo and be sure you are ready to go in for live. before you can step into live. So I tap into my demo automatically. You tap into your demo, you see up here create open account. You cannot say demo live. You also open account. You say okay, you take your open account. It's loading network. It's loading. Okay, it has. I have to put my email back because the network was bad. I'll post the video and do my login. So we continue. This is the demo. Open new account. I tap to open new account. Let's see what we show. The network is disturbing. It's like I have to. Okay. Now they will show you something up here. You see MT5, MT4. So you choose that you want to use the MT5 apps or you want to use the MT4 apps to connect to your brokerage. So I will take my MT5. It doesn't matter anyone you take. MT5, it's already MT5. Okay, it's already an MT5. You see up here, you see something like standard account. You see down here pro. You see here raw spread. So you will be advised to take the standard account whatsoever. The standard account is just good. Forget about the pro account. Okay, after you have taken you choose this standard account. You come here, open real account. You come here to open demo. You come here, try demo. You are trying on demo. So you take your demo. You tap the demo. It loads. Please permit me. My network is not all that best. You open here demo. You see currency. It's a varieties of currencies. So we are using the USDT. You can take this one. You can take this one, but you are recommended to use USDT. Okay. The leverage. Okay. Now let me explain this term to you. The leverage is like the amount that the organization or the broker is willing to give you. This broker has leverage up to close to 3,000, yes, 2,000, 1:2,000. This simply means you can put $1. If you take a leverage of 1:2,000, that means you can put $1 in your account, and due to the help of the leverage, the broker will allow you to make up to 2,000 times the amount you have made. That means you are putting in one and he's giving you 2,000. If you put in $100, you'll be able to have $2,000 in that account. So that's the power of leverage. Like someone will say, come, you give me, let's put 100. If you win me on this, I will give you 2 million. But if you lose on this, I will take the 100 funds. So that's the power of leverage. Yeah, now. So the leverage I recommend you to use is 1:100 for now. You'll be using 1:100. So you come to 1:100, you tap it. As you tap the 1:100, you're going to see here 1:100. Now your trading password. So you have to put a trading password. Let's see what we will use. Let's see. Let me post the video. Okay, I was trying to figure out the password setting because there are some kinds of password you put is not going to go. So you have to put a strong password. So I've put a password. So then this is my balance here. The trading password, leverage. I have to master the password, so I write it down somewhere. I'm still going to use it back. Now you take create account. Look down here, you see something create account. Immediately I tap my create account. Let's see. Create account is loading. Sorry for the bad network. It's loading. Okay, it's loading. So this is here. I've created an account with my MT5. They say update this. Okay. They say your account has been opened successfully. Authentication data were sent to your email. So I can go to my email. I will see my information. that have been sent here. This is the account here. Some people will ask me to. This is the account here. This is demo. You can see demo, MT5, standard account. This is the amount and everything. And this is the other one. This is the other one down, which I created ever since. So to still have those same information on your Gmail, you can still come here. Let's see. You take the trade. You see here is the password. Here is the same password. Here is the password. Here is the login. Sorry, logins. Here is the logins. You see here something here, login, MT5 login. That means I'll go to my MT5. I'll do that login there. Here is the password. So they say the password entered by you. I'll put the password that I entered. Then here they say saver. So you see where to put all these things. This is the saver here, and you forget about all these other ones down. So you save this password here. You saved it, or you copy it if you don't know where to save it. See this here. You see these things here. You come here. You tap it. It's going to show you save. You understand? And then here you just forget. You just put slash, capital letter, demo, small letter, continue behind. So let me save this one. I never keep up on my head. It has been saved. I make sure I saved it. Yes, it has been saved. Now I'll go directly to my apps. I'll just shift it one side. This is my MT5. Let it load. Okay, this is my MT5. Let me show you how it opens at the start. Should in case I was on my chart. So I'll come up here to the setting button. You come to the setting button. Please be attentive. This is the setting button up here. We all know, we already talked about that. So you tap to the setting button. Manage an account. Check here, you see something, manage an account. Manage an account. This is manage an account. So I'll take manage an account, and it opens here. You open something like for your first time, you don't see all these things. Mine is my second time. These are the various brokerage I'm using. These are the 2 brokerage. I have about 3 brokerage account. So you see a plus sign. You see a plus sign up here. Plus sign up here. Yes, this is the plus sign. So you tap to the plus sign. After tapping to the plus sign, you are going to see find broker. It asks you to find your broker. Don't forget that we're creating a brokerage account. You see something here. They say, where is it? Password this, find this. So when it asks you to find broker, the information is not even here. You just know that you have to come here. You type just forex, because you are using just forex. What the fuck is not coming? Where is it? Oh, what's happening? Just forex. Just forex. That's already come down here. I can just tap. I'm sure it will come on your own. I'm sure it's not what that is disturbing me like this. Just forex. You see, it's down here. Just forex. So I'll tap on just forex. Tap on the just forex. Let me make sure you tap the year like this. You tap here. This is just forex. You tap there. Tap. Bam. You enter. As you enter, pap, you see logins, password, saver. Okay, these logins is the one that they give us here. You see now, they say MT5 login. So we're entering the MT5 apps. You can see it's an MT5 app. So the logins, we copied it. We just paste it because it was the longest one. We could not save it. The password, now they say the password entered by you. I know the password I enter. Let me see. I go to down here. It was star. Is it hash 1 2 3 ABA, my name. And yeah, look at the down here. This is another important thing here. When you come here, they say just forex /demo. So it's the demo account. In case that they never indicated it here in your own, you tap that arrow that is going down. There's an arrow here. You see now the arrow will go down. You tap it there. Tap. you show you just forex demo, just forex live. If it's live, in case in time that we'll be creating the live in the days ahead, you go back to live. Now it's demo, so you just simply touch demo, you appear here. Then that will ask you to save your password, so that when next time you want to do it, you just enter them automatically. So I say login. Login is taking some time. You see here, these are the informations up here. These are the informations up here. I pray the video not to be too long. So the informations up here. So it's loading. It's loading. Let me see my network. It's loading. If it's loading, you see my account size. Everything is going to appear there. Let's just give it some time. Let me pause the video for it to be loading. So as you can see, the account now is open. I took about 2 minutes outside, seriously, because I'm using a VPN, and the VPN at times stops and continues, so it was disturbing. So you see it has opened. It has opened. Here you see here is my name. See, you can see GM Technology Limited, and here is the password I use and the information. This was the leverage, and this is the demo capital. It's $200. So hope it is understood. So now I'm already in this account. This account, when it's up here, I'm already in the account. So now whatever I'm doing now on this chart, I'm on this my $200 account. So there was one icon that I could not explain to you because we needed to do things in practical. You understand now? So I will just be seeing the things phenomenal. So it was a plus sign. It was a plus sign. I said there were some good things there. We'll talk about them later. There were some good things there. We'll talk about them later. The plus sign. So I take the plus sign. I told you that there are the various things that we're going to see, but we're not going to exploit all of these functions. We are going to take the basics of these functions, the most important ones, and the ones that you easily understand with at the moment. So the first thing you see up here is the pair that I'm into. You understand? Australian dollars versus Singapore dollars. The second one here is the dollar sign. Let me be indicating it. Is a currency, the full name, and the other one is up here, and this is the dollar sign. You know the meaning of the dollar sign now. We already talked about it. So if I'm on my chart, I can just go to any pair here, still here. I can just take any pair, take any of the pairs, and do some things there. So you see up here market execution. They say market execution. Market execution. The meaning of market execution, it means that you want to enter the market instantly, at the moment, at the particular moment now. So you want to enter the market. So I'll take market execution. If you tap here, let me move this my thing. If you tap here, still there. If you tap here on market execution, you're going to see market execution at the top. You see market execution. You see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop limit. So these are programs that if you want to enter the market somewhere in the future or at a particular instant, but all those ones are not important. So we are taking just this one. You understand? You forget about the rest. So you take market execution. Take market execution. You see up here. If it's up here, you should write market execution. So the next one, you see something here. This is, we were talking about lot sizes. I'm sure the other day, the pips, at the first videos, we were talking about the pips, something like that. So this is a lot size. The lot size simply means is the amount. Is the amount what a trade. That means at any move or any distance covered by the market, the amount, the figure that you put here, it's going to determine what you're going to have. You understand now? So you just have to understand. So in case you put a very big figure like 5, market just shake down small, so you see as your loss go big. Market just shake up small, so you see as your loss go big. You understand? So that's it. And then here, the next one we have here, Salama pending. We have here something SL, which stands for stop loss. For here, take profit, which stands for take your profit. SL means stop loss in full. Stop loss simply means where you want, like the amount you are willing to risk per that trade. We say for their $200 account, their $200 account. You understand now? You say, should in case that my prediction in the market fails me, let this market close me at $180. That means you are risking $20. So you are risking $20 for this account, and your take profit, which is TP, full meaning means take profit. It simply means where you are satisfied. So as I'm into the trade, so I want to make now $50. Once it reaches $50, I want to exit the trade. The trade will just close automatically. You just take your profit and the trade will close. So that's the meaning of take stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is the amount you are willing to sacrifice per that trade, should in case you lose and you take the losses. And take profit is the amount you are willing to, you're contented with, the amount which you are satisfied with, and the trade will close. So that's it. So in order to us to do this in practicals, so I'll come here. The recommended stop loss for you is is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. So you cannot do anything. For you people, this is the only one you'll be using, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. You will not use anything above that one. This is where you can change it. You can change it. If I want to put 2 here, I'll put 2. If I want to, you just learn how to write there. If you want to put 20 here, 22 here, I'll put 22 here. So it's 2.23. If I want to cancel, I'll cancel. But now it's 0.01. Put 0.01. 0.0, I cancel it. 0.02. Cancel it. 0.03. So anyone that will be there is the one that will be using. So let's use this 0.02 for example. But you will be using the 0.01. Then the highest position that you ever open is 3 position. We'll talk about the positions that. Then this stop loss and this take profit, we'll do them also. So let's go very, very fast. The video is becoming long. Let's go. So this is the market. This is the chart. You see now, the chart is here. This is my what are they calling this line again? So the market is up here. It's up here. It's up here. If I want to put my stop loss, I will calculate where I have to put my stop loss. Should in case I'm buying means I'm going up, I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. You understand now? That should in case that the market does not go up and this market is coming down, when the market comes down here and it wants to start going down too much, when I reach here, it's going to close. Because if you don't put your stop loss, you're just going to go down and everything in your account will be going up until when your account is 0, it's just before it's going to lock. So you always put your stop loss to prevent such kind of movement. And then should in case now, okay, there for your take profit, if your stop loss is here, your take profit should be above. That means very, very far. It's right inside. It should be up. It will be right up somewhere here, even more. You understand? I cannot shift my screen because I have to write. So hope you understand. So let's do a practical example. Let's say the market is here. I say should in case, because this is what we'll be doing, signals when the time is going to come. So should in case I ask you to enter the market here, this way you enter the market, you see where this line is. Enter the market. Enter the market. See, look at where it is. This is where we enter. Okay, for example, we enter, and then now let's look for where to put our stop loss. Let's say we'll put our stop loss here. You see this arrow is helping me to navigate. I'll say when it wants to come down here, let the market close. Okay, let's just say here. You understand? Or let's say here. Anyway, Let's just put some. Let me write this one down. 0.95748. This is stop loss. Okay, stop loss. And then now, let's see where I'll put my take profit. Take profit. Okay, you can zoom your chart with your hands. You can do anything. You can zoom it. Let me put my take profit. I will say my take profit is here. Let me say my take profit is here. It's at let's just see. Okay, take profit TP. Let me write it down. It's at 0.0097033. So should in case I want to enter this trade, I'll go to my trade button here, the plus sign, pap, tap and for there. I put my lot size, pap, 0.02. I put my stop loss, which is, I copy the figure that was there, 0.95748. Then take profit 0.97033. So I'm ready for the trade. What am I doing? Now you look down. You look down here. Down here. Down here you see sell and buy. Understand? This thing is covering the other one. You cannot see. See sell and buy. I'll take buy. Pap. Market order. Done. That means I've already execute. You understand now? You see, immediately as I open the market, you see I'm minus 0.0 this. Minus 50. So that's the spread. That's the amount I've paid for this trade to run. You understand? And that means this is the amount that I've paid. Before now, I'm going to start being in positive or in negative. There are some questions I had, but I don't know. As I'm talking like that, I'm lost in the questions. So this is it. And the highest position you can enter for you people is, let me say, 2 position. That means this 1 here like this. This 1 here, this 1 position. This see, you can see here, they say position, 1 position. If I want to enter again, I will simply tap this button here, enter. I'll see buy again, not buy, check up. That's 2 position. That's 2 position. So I've entered 2 position with 0.02. For you will not even use 0.03. Let's go back. You're not even able to use 0.003. Use 0.01 and 0.02. Highest is 2 position. Take that. That will be an exercise. Don't forget that you have to replicate this after. So if I want to close this chart, if I want to close this thing, you see here, I will come here by this side too. Let me put arrow here. I will come here. See, I will come here. It's a simple way. I will come here. I will tap any of them. Let's write them. I'll come here. If I want to come here, I'll tap here. If I want to lose this one, I'll tap here. Tap here. I'll tap here. Pap. No, it's not even tap set. Tap it back. It's not even tap. I'll slide it by the corner. I'll drag my screen here. Drag my screen. So for the slides and for this side, see, it's going to show me this tick. Pap. She shows you that thing. They show you down here close. Close with loss. It shows that are you willing to close this trade with loss? You say yes, you want close them. You understand? Or you close them. Pap, you say okay. See, you don't have to go for profit. See, you don't have to go for profit. If I want close them, I go close and so pap, me close. You go close and I go take the, if we say there any loss, I go take the loss. So there are some other little things I can teach you, but we will not learn that one. If I learn that one, so we just scatter the group with equation there. So this is it. Let me close. Let's go. You see now I'm in profit. I'm in this plus this plus this. I'm in 0.0 this. Then here up here is a sum. Is a sum. Is a sum. Where is it? You see up here. So that pending. Up here is a sum. You understand now? Sum of these two. 0.17 plus this. Here is the sum of these two. That is what we will have learned for today. So I don't know if there's any other thing that I'm missing there. Let me see. And then here, so in case that you see me, you see slide it in again. So for the one side, you will see pen. You see now, you take you back for the for when I modify. We not even talk about modify. See, go here again. See, you see plus. You see, it will take you back to buy, and if you want to buy and sell, yeah. Then now see, it's taking you back to the chart. Don't forget that the lot size you use in a particular chart, you cannot use it in a, you know, use them for some other chart, because you know go for the go to talk in pitch fine. You understand? Like how if I take the lot size what I use them for the one now, you see the stop loss and they take profit. If I use them for the one, I go use them for different chart. You say I count for here. Now sign do I be tell you, say it means I did for some trade. Where you see this sign for here, so for the corner. It means I did for some trade. Then I red, that means I did not lose. Then I will green, that means I did for win. It means I did not for the trade. And if you take that very decent, the very lot size, abi na the year now. And if you take the very lot size, come put it again for the other chart, they no go work, they no go go, it will show fail. So now all that we don't learn and today. So we don't be able for nobody to be brokerage. We don't know lot size, how to use them, how to close, how to open. Plain this name again, I don't even forget to want them. How to create brokerage account. So man of is scam you again for forex, because you don't already know this basic them. You understand now? Why I never wanted us to talk about this plus signs, because I wanted us to do it practical. Man of is scam you again for that the password that I use, you yourself post the video in the place of the password, copy that my very password, put in your own account, it will still open. If I want a friend to help me somewhere and trade for me, like what I used to do, they give me their password, then I check inside the account. If I check in the account, I'll not be able to remove their funds, because they will need my email. That's why I was telling you about your email, that you have to keep your email safe and prevent using your emails in any other website them. You understand that? Because you guys so you get already is looting them. That was what I was telling you. So if in case in the future you ever encounter any person, or I myself we might face some this kind of challenges. So if the person say he is a forex broker, you just tell him, okay, you want to test him, you just like give him your password. This is your brokerage password you're using just forex. He sign into your account and be trading. If he sign in the account, you're able to see what he's doing here for this place. So you will see all the way they do them. You understand? If you don't like her, if you close them, it will close them. If you open them, it will open them. So you'll be seeing what the man is doing here. You understand now? You see now it's going back to minus. That means the trade is minus. See, let's go to the chart. You see now, see it's minus. It's minus because this is where we bought. Now places where we will buy. We buy now for here. Buy now for here. Although it's a up candle, but you see now the week of the candle has come. This now line they do have the tell on say the show now stop and sell stop and this thing. Sorry, this line then, so buy stop and sell stop, the red and the blue line, you see now. So about see these two lines are above my entry, are below my entry. That's why I'm on a loss, because I'm buying. You understand now? This was my buy line, this blue. Now this was my buy line. The way now place where I buy now, it didn't have a down. So it shows that is, I don't know if don't make no confuse you, I beg. So we'll end the video. Make sure some people are saying that they don't have Telegram. We are providing the video on YouTube. That at least when you go to YouTube, watch the video. If you don't have Telegram, watch the video. I don't know how you follow up. Then you can come and follow up on WhatsApp. People should even like the videos on YouTube. At least subscribe to the channel. We are about 40 something of us, but if you want to go check subscriber, you see now 1.5. I don't know how 1.5 day. So have a nice day.